Marketing and advertising can be complicated. What's most important?
What should I focus on?
Direct marketing?
Email campaigns?
Social media?
Cold calling?
With Marketing Atlas, you'll have a clear guide to get more leads, close more sales, and take your business to the next level. Welcome to Marketing Atlas.
Marketing Atlas.
Marketing Atlas.
With your host, Hernan Vasquez.
What's up, everybody? How are you guys? Hope that you guys are doing well. My name is Hernan Vasquez, and thank you for spending some time with me today. I hope that you guys are safe. The topic and the video is going to be talking about this bad boy, which is my top 2 funnels to run using Facebook ads. There's a lot of different funnels that you can run using Facebook ads. I'm going to share with you my top 2 funnels, the funnels that I love running with Facebook ads to both acquire customers and maximize my profit. And that is exactly what we're going to be talking about today. Now, with that being said, if you want to A, increase the amount of customers that you have, B, increase the amount of transactions, meaning the value of those customers with your company, and C, increase the frequency of transaction, meaning how frequent those people give you money for your company, go to perpetualprofits.net, perpetualprofits.net, and get a copy of my brand new book, Perpetual Profits. Pretty cool. It's only $5.60. You can read it in an afternoon, and it can give you a lot of good ideas for the marketing of your company. So I hope that you do enjoy it. Now, the reason I decided to do this is because I was talking to this person today. It's a coaching student of mine. I'm going to be coaching him one-on-one over the next several weeks. And we were talking about his stuff, and he was trying to make, his main goal was to make $100,000 a month. And he was doing around 25 right now. And he was at some point doing $100,000, but something happened and he went down, right? He went down from $100,000 to 25. I was like, okay, what happened then? And what's going to happen, what's happening right now? So we went through his business and we went through what happened back then. And back then he was getting a lot of organic traffic. He was getting a lot of traffic from YouTube. He was getting a lot of traffic organically. But something that I told him is like, listen, in order for you to go back to $100,000, we need to figure out what you did back then so that you can do more of. We need to ask ourselves, what else can we sell to them? What else we can do for these people? How much value we can give them? Because right now you have one product which is kind of in the middle. It's a high ticket product, but it's not one of the highest tickets, but it's not an acquisition funnel, right? So that's exactly what I want to share with you guys today. What top 2 funnels you want to be running so that you can A, acquire customers, but B, you want to maximize the profit. A lot of people are out there trying to, make $2 back for every dollar that they advertise and whatnot. And right now, if you're home, if you're watching this, I would suggest that you go ahead and increase the budget that you have on Facebook because, the CPMs are down actually. So that means that they're less expensive so you can actually acquire more customers. But besides that, a lot of people are trying to get $1 in or putting $1 in right now and getting $2 back immediately. And that's fine, that's doable, but that's hard to do. That takes time, right? So what do you do and how do you compensate with that? So the first funnel that I love, that I really like running on Facebook ads is this. We have a sales page and then we have an order form. And then the order form can have a funnel, can have a product that it's either anywhere between $5 all the way to $27, okay? And I also recommend that you add an order bump here, which can be, again, anywhere between $27 to $37. So anywhere between $5 and $27, that's the sweet spot for this front-end offer. Again, it doesn't have to be a book funnel, but let's call this self-liquidating funnel. And the reason why we call it like that is because you will be liquidating your ad costs, okay? So we have an order form right here. We have a sales page, and then we have an ad right here that goes to a sales page, and then we have an order form with an order bump. This order bump right here is really important because if you can get like a 30% take on that order bump, that's going to be a game changer for this whole funnel. And then we have an upsell, we can have a downsell, okay? And then we have another upsell here. And then we have a thank you page, right? So this is funnel A. The reason why we deploy this funnel is because with Facebook ads, costs are going up. So that means that you need to have a mechanism for you to liquidate your ad costs, as fast as possible. So this will help you run your ads for free and build your list for free pretty much. So I talked to you guys a couple of days ago on how to build your list for free. Well, this is how you do it. Funnel number 1, if you would. Hey, this is Hernan Vasquez, and I know that if you're running Facebook ads, it can get complicated. Facebook changes stuff every week. Techniques are being updated, strategies are being updated, and some people are just not getting the results that they want. So what I wanted to do is to condense several years of experience and millions of dollars in advertising in one simple guidebook that you can pull out whenever you're running your Facebook ads, so that you can have a template that you can use. So if you're interested in getting a copy, go to adsguide2020.com. That is adsguide2020.com. Download your copy. Hope you enjoy it. Now, funnel 2, what I really like to do is, this is where the high ticket comes to play. The high ticket, it's really simple as well. You have an ad that goes to a webinar. So this will be the webinar opt-in. Then we have the webinar room where people will watch the webinar. It can also be an on-demand class, so people don't have to wait, right? They just see the video, which is one of the best things to do. And then we have an order form, and then we have a thank you page. Now the order form here, it depends on your price point. If you're going to go the high ticket route, here's what I would recommend. The webinar room sends them to an application page, then you have a booking page, calendar page, and then you have a thank you page. And then you have a phone call, right? Now this is a great funnel if you're selling anything above $3,000. So I've seen funnels, or I've seen webinars sell up to $1,500 or something like that, $2,000 as well. But north of that, you need to close them on the phone. So this is a great webinar or great funnel for high ticket. Now, the good news is that you can run this in parallel. You can run ads to this liquidating offer, and at the same time, you can run ads to this webinar funnel. Now, guess what? After somebody comes in, you can send them either here to register for the webinar or either here to apply. I would suggest you send them to the webinar. Once they become buyers, you can send them to register for the webinar so that they can go ahead and get into this high ticket offer. Some people will not take you up on the high ticket offer. They might be more comfortable doing something like a lower ticket item, which is fine. So on your sales call, you have the opportunity to actually tell your salespeople, hey, if this is too much for them, if they're not ready to go with the $3,000 or $5,000 or $15,000, whatever, then offer them this $997 package. And if you go like this, then you will have the manual, which is, hey, here's how to do it yourself. This is the manual. Then and this would be the book, right? This would be the book or the info product, whatever, the SLO. And then you would have here, we do it with you, and which is we do it with you. And then you have the highest value, which is we do it for you. So on this case, you're going here and you're going here as well, right? You're going for the manual and you're going for we do it with you. And then you can have a done for you solution for however much you want to charge. All right, so these are my top 2 funnels that I like to run on Facebook ads. I really do enjoy it, mostly this one that goes into the second one, because here you can liquidate your ad costs and it's pretty cool. So I hope that this helps. If you want to, again, A, get more customers, B, increase the value of these customers, and C, increase the frequency of transactions with these customers, go to perpetualprofits.net and get a copy of my brand new book, Perpetual Profits. I hope that you guys are safe. I hope that you're having an amazing day. Keep up the good work. Stay safe. I'm rooting for you. I'll see you guys really soon. Bye-bye.